Today I'm going to show you how to save over $1,200 on tires for your truck. I ordered custom wheel adapters from Motorsport Tech online. They're the guys that make Bora wheel spacers and adapters. I sent them in the measurements to convert a Toyota Tundra bolt pattern to that of a Jeep Wrangler or Rubicon. They're hub-centric, which means that they are the most stable and balanced wheel spacer that you can get. They're also made in the US, which is a great thing. I got the adapters for about 280 bucks. Motorsport Tech told me that they would be anywhere from 1 to about 5 weeks waiting time, which gave me plenty of time to find the wheels and tires that I wanted. The next step was to go onto Facebook Marketplace. I scoured the internet looking for the right deal and found some wheels off of a 2020 Jeep Gladiator Rubicon. This Jeep came with the tires and wheels that you see here, about a 33-inch tire from factory with, I think, some pretty damn nice looking wheels. Messaged the guy on Facebook, created a meeting spot, and then paid the man. Start by putting on your car's emergency brake. Find a piece of wood as an additional safety block. Put the jack underneath the axle to support the axle. Before you lift the wheel off the ground, break those lug nuts loose, especially on the front wheels. Once they're broken loose, jack that wheel up and take the lug nuts off. Remove the wheel and clean the mounting surface. Apply blue Loctite or generic thread locker to the threads on the factory hub. Bolt on the adapter, and then bolt on the wheel. For the front wheels on my Tundra, the hub-centric diameter was a little snug. So what I had to do was attach every single bolt and then go around and tighten them down in a star pattern. This allowed me to tighten down the wheel spacer slowly and gradually until it was pressed firmly against the mounting surface. So tighten one bolt until it starts to get tough. Then move across to the opposite bolt and tighten that one until it's hard. Jump across in a star pattern to the next one, then the next one, and the next one following that star pattern, and it will suck that adapter to the hub nice and slowly so you make sure there's a good surface fit. The emergency brake on your truck should apply only to the rear wheels, which means that you can tighten down everything on the rear when it's up in the air. However, you won't be able to do that on the front wheels of your truck because they'll spin freely. The way that I did this was I got 2 pieces of wood and a breaker bar. I sandwiched the breaker bar in between the 2 pieces of wood and then put that whole assembly in between 2 studs. The breaker bar touches the ground and prevents the hub from spinning. This allows you to tighten up the front lug nuts. After that, it's rinse and repeat until you're done. Make sure to stop for a water break too. I went with Jeep wheels is because I know that people like modifying their Jeeps. I know that there will be a long supply of affordable wheels and tires from Jeep owners. You can specify exactly what bolt patterns you want. Let's say that Ford Bronco owners start selling their wheels and tires for super cheap and you like those more. Then just tell the guys over at Motorsport Tech that you want to put your truck, maybe a Tundra's bolt pattern, and convert it into a Bronco bolt pattern. It's not Jeep specific, it's not Tundra specific. So you can do this with pretty much any truck out there. I got the entire set, 5 wheels, 5 tires for $700. Included TPMS sensors, and the tires are in great shape. After the adapters arrived from Motorsport Tech, I unboxed them, threw them on the truck, and put the new wheels and tires on. After they were put on and I checked that there was no rubbing or any issues like that, cleaned up my wheels and tires from the stock Tundra and put them on Facebook Marketplace. Within about a week or so, I talked to a very, very nice man. We met up another meeting spot, agreed on a price, and I sold them for $750. So I bought the wheels and tires for $700. I also spent $280 on the adapters. Now I sold my wheels and tires for $750. That means that I got new wheels and tires for $230. These tires, brand new from Falken, would have cost me $1,400, not including the install time, insurance, throwing away the old tires that were on here. So I saved about $1,200 easy. Now, if you want to save that much money, go ahead and order you up some adapters from Motorsport Tech. The link is in the description. The guys are extremely helpful. I probably talked to them about 3 or 4 times on the phone just to make sure that all of the details were perfect. So saving money, supporting Americans, and modifying your truck, what could be better? I know that overlanding can be expensive with all the gear, all the cool stuff that all of us love. So if you can save some dough here and put it into something else like lockers or whatever else that makes you happy, then it's a great thing to do. I do hope that you go and buy yours from Motorsport Tech. They helped me out crazy. Best customer service that I've had in a long time. Lead times were perfectly accurate and the quality is nuts. So definitely buy yours from them. So that's all there is today. Have a good one and we'll see you soon.